Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Codex app if it's crashing. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, if you have it opened, just close it. Go to your taskbar right here, right-click on OpenAI or ChatGPT, exit, right-click on a blank space and click on Task Manager. And then just find Codex or ChatGPT right here in the search bar. And if you can spot one, right-click and end task. Once that's done, go ahead over to your search bar and type down graphics. Right, click on graphics settings. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, click on advanced graphics settings. Now, if your app is crashing, disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling right here. Okay, disable this feature. And then once that's done, close this one. Open up your search bar and type down %app data %. Again, %app data %. Open it up. Now in here, if you can find Codex or even ChatGPT, so just go ahead and right-click and delete the folder. Now once that's deleted, close this one and just go ahead and find the Codex app. It can be via ChatGPT and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is how you fix Codex app if it's crashing. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.